What's going on, guys? Thank you for joining me in today's video. My name is Miguel. I go by Ebay Resales here on YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. In today's video, we're going to be going to the Polo factory outlet store. We're going to go ahead and check out what they have in store today. And today we're going in with a 25% coupon. If you want to receive coupons from Polo Ralph Lauren for their factory outlet stores, you can do that online. Or you could also do it in store by sending a text to the number that they have in store. So I do have some great news, guys. We finally hit 600 subscribers. Thank you guys to everybody that's currently subscribed to the channel. I appreciate it. That gives me more motivation to continue making videos for you guys. It seems that a lot of you guys enjoy the shopping videos. If you're currently not subscribed and you like shopping videos, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Once again, we're going in with a 25% discount. Also, I always use a 10% discount on top of the coupon that Polo Ralph Lauren ends up providing me. That's currently the only discount that you can apply on top of all their discounts and coupons. All right, so stick around. Let's go ahead and see what they have inside. You guys don't have additional discount on clearance today, or not yet? Oh, okay, as marked. Yeah, I have the 25. Cool. Alrighty, thank you. was that?
Why don't we have a freaking YouTube channel? But this
Oh, it's just
yeah,
it's nothing big. Yeah. I just shop.
As
I
you
just
say.
shop. Yeah, I just shop and yeah, just show people how to shop, how to save, man.
I got you.
That's it. Yeah, it's cool. It's just time consuming, so I don't really do it all. You know, it's not that often.
You have to like edit it or like. Is
Yeah.
It
Oh, here it goes. Oh,
that's
man.
the longest.
Yeah, it definitely takes the longest. Definitely takes the longest. Perfect. Oh man, I've been looking for this one too. And it's on sale.
You're like one of those shoppers, like you're like you know when stuff that goes on sale, like how to use coupons.
Yeah.
Although you do like, oh yeah, I know like how to shop, like I know like coupons add up. I didn't even use it. Fucking new.
Yeah, man. You know, I wish I had your guys' discount.
Dude, you got our discount. You freaking buy up the whole store almost.
Yeah, just about. Just about.
I got told that it's going up apparently.
What's that?
So apparently on Tuesday it's going up to 50%.
Oh, okay. Store wide.
Mm-hmm.
See, the only bad thing is when it goes store wide, there's no clearance.
Alright, helped a lot.
All right, cool.
And do you want the third one or no?
Yeah, I'll take them.
Alright, I got you.
You just.
Come on, Mommy.
We got the. Oh, sorry.
No, I literally ran, that's why.
All right. Thank you, man.
I got you.
Doing okay. Yourself? Oh, a bunch of people. AJ, Eric, Naomi. Appreciate it.
Okay, take one bag out at a time and see. I want to see which one it is. I want to see which one it is. Yeah, try that. No. Okay.
That one.
Okay, so it's not that one. This one. Maybe it's this one. Maybe it was somebody before you. Yeah.
Yeah, it's that one. Yeah.
Okay.
You guys need the receipt?
Yep, you're good now.
I'm good?
Under my feet.
Okay. Yeah, no worries. I know it ain't my back. I'll do it just so you guys. That way there's no doubt.
Hopefully be okay now.
Okay. I appreciate it.
No problem. You good?
All right. Well, okay. Got it. Thank you so much. You have a great day.
Thank you.